Let's get you more breaking updates as the big Maharashtra election is inching closer. This is a big decision that has just been announced by the government in the state of Maharashtra, where indigenous cows have got a quote-unquote a Rajmata tag. And this is, remember, all for the local indigenous cows. And the state has also declared that Desi cows now onwards will be referred to as Rajmata Gaumata. So we've just heard from the Chief Minister also in a little while from now, where he said Desi cows have been given the status of Rajmata Gaumata in Maharashtra. And this has been the announcement that has just put forward. And let's also first up listen in to what we've heard from the state so far, followed by more responses.
देशी गाय है त्या देशी गायीचं संवर्धन झालं पाहिजे म्हणून हा दर्जा देण्यात आलेला आहे. आणि एवढंच नाही तर ज्या ठिकाणी पांजरपोळ आहे, ज्या ठिकाणी व्यवस्था आहे, अशा ठिकाणी देशी गायीच्या चाऱ्याकरता मदत करण्याचा निर्णय देखील राज्य सरकारने घेतलेला आहे. देसी गाय ये हमारे किसानों के लिए एक वरदान है और हमने इसीलिए ये दर्जा देने का निर्णय लिया है. और साथ में हम लोगों ने जो हमारे यहाँ पर पांजरपोळ होते हैं वहाँ पर भी जो देसी गौमाता है उसके परिपोषण के लिए, उसके चारे के लिए मदद करने का फैसला किया है.
संविधान प्रयत्न केला होता, काय सांगायचं?
अनुसूचित जाती मोर्चा भारतीय जनता पक्षाचं संमेलन आता झालेलं आहे आणि ज्या प्रकारे संविधान बदलाचा आणि आरक्षण संपेल असा फेक नरेटिव्ह मागच्या निवडणुकीमध्ये काँग्रेस आणि त्यांच्या मित्र पक्ष.
We also have a colleague Arunil who's joining us on the phone line. Arunil, first up, why don't you tell us more about this big decision that has just been announced by the Maharashtra government? What is this decision all about? What does this entail?
Well, this is a significant decision taken by CM Eknath Shinde's government in the state of Maharashtra. The Desi cows have been declared as Raj Gaumata, as well as a subsidy scheme of ₹50 per day will be given in rearing these indigenous cows. CM Eknath Shinde, who presided over the meeting, basically Devendra Fadnavis mentioned about the fact that how the Gaushalas do not have enough funds to take care of these indigenous cows, and that is why it is extremely paramount for the state government as well to support these Gaushalas. In fact, what exactly the opposition will be reacting on it, particularly the Congress party as well as Sharad Pawar's NCP, that we will be keeping a close eye on. Deputy CM of Maharashtra, Devendra Fadnavis, gave out a statement saying that indigenous cows are a boon for our farmers. So we have decided to grant this Rajya Mata status to them. We have also decided to give we allocate a certain kind of an amount from the state budget for the Gaushalas that will be rearing these indigenous cows.
All right, Anurila, like you said, we'll wait and see how the opposition responds to that big decision. For the moment, thank you.